Hi everyone, I'm Tanuja and welcome back to my channel Fluentspire. So, we have just got 2 months left before 2025 ends. I want to ask you something. What if you use these 60 days to speak English confidently? No boring grammar books, no endless memorization, just a 8-week plan that actually works. It's a simple plan, but not just listening this plan will actually work, but you have to take an action and you have to work accordingly. So now you are waiting for the right time. That time is now. Let's start your 2 months English challenge. Think about it. Now 2025 is almost over, but your English journey doesn't have to wait for next year. If you stay consistent for 60 days, your English fluency, confidence, and vocabulary will definitely improve. And this will help you in your life, whether it's interviews or travel or daily conversation. So I'm going to guide you all week plan here that you can apply for your learning purpose. So let's start for that. 1 month is just for your base, that you have to build your base. Week 1 is for grammar plus vocabulary basics. Start with simple. First, learn tenses, articles, and prepositions. It is the core part of every sentence. So just start learning this first, and then second thing, you have to learn 5 vocabulary that is related to your surrounding or your daily routine or anything that happens daily. So just try 5 words and then you have to use them. And second thing here, what you have to do, most of the time it happens with no so many sentences, small sentences already, like we use sometimes, like I use I'm very tired. So instead of these, you can try to advance this sentence, like I'm drained or I'm exhausted. So in this way you can upgrade your sentence. So week 1 just for your base. Then come to week 2. Week 2 is for listening and pronunciation practice. So listening is as much as important in speaking, because you can grab lot of things just by listening. So just start listening 10 minutes of videos, and it can be very simple stories or any series or anything that you like a lot. So you can start from basic, and then you have to try to record yourself. Now the third week is for speaking practice. So now it's time to speak English. Just give yourself a challenge for 15 to 20 minutes. You can speak in front of mirror or mobile camera, which is suitable for you, and then try to record it. Like you have to speak and then record yourself. So as much as you will try to speak, definitely you will see a drastic change, that how your confidence grows. Now come to the week 4. Week 4 is writing simple sentences. Yes. So now you have to try to write it down, simple sentences like your goals or opinion or anything, or even a 5 lines of diary you can maintain, and that will help you to think in English. So this is the plan for month 1st, November. And then we will move to second month. So now you have built your foundation, then we will have to move to speed up your fluency. So week 5 is for conversational skills. Here you have to try to maintain small talks, whether it's related to asking a question or giving your opinion or any greetings or any small talk that you can talk. You can talk with your surrounding people, or maybe you can use ChatGPT as well for your partner, like I do. So I will make another video for that if you would like to see. And this week you have to learn 5 idioms or 5 idioms and 5 new phrasal verbs in a week that you can use it in your daily conversation to make it more natural. For example, like break a leg or break a ice, it's carry on, piece of cake. You can use these to sound more natural. So this week you can focus on these things. And then move to week 6. Week 6 is about vocabulary enhancement. Let's try to learn some new words, like 5 new words, which is related to the topics. Any topic that, for example, work or travel or technology. So topic wise, you have to learn these words. You can use one more thing, that you can try to listen or read news. So with the help of news, you can learn some formal and professional words as well. So here you have to focus on your vocabulary enhancement. Now come to the next week, that is week 7, accent and listening challenge. Here you have to make a schedule to watch one video, and it can be from USA or UK accent, and then try to shadow or try to summarize that video that you have watched. For example, you have seen 5 minutes of video, just listen and then try to summarize those things, like whatever you have listened. So in this way, you can enhance your accent and pronunciation. So it's all about like shadowing. You are just listening, copying, and then trying to speak. And the last week plan is week 8, is real life practice. Now it's time to sign. So here you can use real life situation where you can talk. It's about speaking in an interviews, or maybe ordering a food, or like if you are traveling somewhere, so you can try to speak in English. So in this way, you can use some real situation where you have to talk in English. So in this way, you can compare yourself from week 1 to week 8, that how much you have gained your confidence, and you can see the differences, that in 2 months you have gained so much things, and you have collected so many new words, idioms, and the good thing is that you gain some confidence. Use this last 60 days of 2025 to improve your English, and before New Year's Eve, you will be definitely speak with confidence. And if you really like this video and the plan, then please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt or query related to anything like grammatical grammatical things or speaking problem or anything, that I'm here to help you out. So you can just comment me down, or you can write an email as well. I will definitely try to help. And if you want to make new video on any particular topic, so please write in the comment. I will definitely try to make video on that. So till then, take care and have a great day. And I will definitely ask about your progress, about your English speaking. Thank you. Bye bye.